Excuse me. In this video, we're worried the doors are going to blow off the unit. Another storm, but more light tinkering. Today I am going to fit a new back box to the Corsa, and you are...
well, I was supposed to be doing underneath Desmond with some rust proofing towards the front because he's not been done. But actually I'm just going to, because I haven't really got access to it, I'm just going to do the slam panel.
Okay, because I'm about to steal the ramps for the Corsa. It's going to be a fun day, folks. Yet another storm seems to be blowing in. Marvellous. It's just what we want, more storms.
Yeah.
Because we just haven't had enough trees down.
No.
So maybe we could have a few more. So yeah, you're on that duty. I'm going to be on exhaust, and then we'll swap ramps. And front subframe is the plan for Desmond. We overlooked that last time because I was a bit too vigorous in my don't spray it near the engine. So we didn't do the front subframe, but when we were doing the exhaust the other day, the front subframe is looking like it needs a coat of something. So
yep, so it's going to get the usual treatment. I'm going to take it back with a wire brush, just in case anybody thinks that doesn't happen before we rust proof.
Yeah.
And then I will use the primer from...
Oh, we are going to use the primer on it.
Yeah, MDS.
That's going to be tricky because everything is connected to it.
I'm not averse to a bit of masking off and whatnot.
Okay.
So I will use the primer because it's just such a good product. It really does give a good finish.
It does seem to work very well. Yeah.
And then I will alpha land.
Yay!
Because I feel like I haven't alpha land enough.
But yeah, we will get on it before this storm gets worse.
A short time later.
I'm having a horrible time. My exhaust will not separate. It's a sleeved joint here, which of course just means the two pieces of exhaust weld themselves to each other, showing off my super stylish Whiteland restoration head torch. They're now even more awesome apparently with a bigger battery.
Fantastic stocking filler.
Yeah. How are you getting on?
So I've scraped it back as much as I can.
Yeah.
And I've just used a brush to apply the primer. This is the first coat. Because it's brush, I would do more than one coat anyway. But yeah, I'll apply another coat at least to see where we're at with that. And then I might have to leave it with primer because we said we wanted to colour match, didn't we? So
yeah, we haven't got any top coat yet, the right colour.
no, so I think we'll...
Yeah.
Here they come.
Paw Patrol maybe on the way. Oh yes, here he comes.
Hello.
Sorry, your sister has already been here.
Yeah, your sister's been and said hi. Hi.
She's our welcome committee security doing a sterling job.
Oh, they're security. They're very good.
Hello, security. And this one's good because when you say go away, he tends to lie down.
Yes, he does.
Yeah.
But yeah, I will do Desmond, and then because of the weather, I will do some tidying towards the back of the unit so that we can get Betty in.
Yeah, because the storm's getting up again. We don't want to leave a car outside, and Betty is sat here struggling to get wheel bearings. Sadly, Coleman Milne haven't got any stock here, so they'd have to order from Australia anyway. Yeah, don't own an Australian car on the other side of the world if you want easy parts access. I think is what we're learning here. We've got a big box of Betty bits, but sadly we haven't got wheel bearings, and you've replaced the entire front hub. So
we've got two boxes of
that's
Betty
looking
bits.
like a job for the new year. Sadly, our friend David is trying to track them down in Australia as I speak. But I'll show you what's going on under the car. This is the joy of the situation: is that is our sleeved joint there. And it looks like there's something else on it, doesn't there? We've taken the clamp. Oh, it's just the edges of the clamp. Maybe? I don't know. But we're trying fire, but you've got to be quite careful with fire because we've got a handbrake cable running right underneath it. And the fuel tank is right here. So it's just what you want, really. But that does look like this. No, there isn't something else. It is just marks. Yeah, trying to get rusty metal to part after God knows how long is always difficult. But I didn't really want to replace the entire exhaust system, although looking at it maybe we should have done. But that's a sliding joint there, and that's the catalyst, so whatever you do you're in for a world of pain. So I think we'll keep trying to soak it in penetrating oil and hoping for the best. Right, that job is getting filed under if at first you don't succeed and you've hit it with a hammer, give up. So giving up on that one. I think what that really needs is the car to be in the air so you can actually get under it. Bigger tools, more fire, at a guess. So
What did you do?
well, bits fell out the exhaust because it's rotten. There's a lovely pile of rust on the floor there now.
My dad's going to watch this.
Yeah. Hi. It's going really well. It's almost sold. It's been with us for ages, this car.
Also, yeah, but we want to sell it as a better going concern. It's
We do.
got new tyres. It's had lots of touch-up work done on it.
Do you want to buy it? We've got a back box for it. You could buy it as
You
is.
just obliterate
Buy
the
it as
back box.
is.
You've got to get
It's
it
not
off.
obliterated. It's fine. Throaty. It's throaty.
It's 1.2. It's not supposed to be 30.
Yeah, 1.2 fearsome power, 45 brake horse. Woo, woo, woo.
As an aside, I'm going to say this on a video so that he has to do it. So he has some plans for next year, and I think
I
they're
do have
daft.
some very exciting plans. They're
But-
very daft.
Yeah, and we had a plan before that plan, and that's why I'm working really hard on getting the cars running.
We're still going to do
so
that
that we
plan.
can make that plan happen.
Yeah, we're still going to do
But
that.
the deal now is this gets done,
Yep.
that gets done.
Oh, hell.
Shevington back on the road properly, not spark plugs and a battery, and then stick it back on the
Yeah.
road properly,
No.
and then you can do stupid
That means
stuff.
subframe drop to get the steering rack out.
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
but then you get to do stupid.
Yeah. Yeah.
Seems
Yeah.
like a reasonable thing. I've now got 2 coats on here. You might want to give it a minute to dry, and I've just started clearing up.
So you haven't got a mic on. You got to come back.
Oh yeah. So I'm 2 coats in, and I'm just gonna. I've been tidying up a bit so that Betty can get in, and then we might have to call it a day.
We might have to call it a day. That hasn't gone to plan at all.
No,
This was meant
and
to
it's
be
a bit
a
frustrating.
successful final tinkering before Christmas sort of a deal.
Is it? I
I
thought
thought
we'd
so.
come back for more punishment.
Yeah, we're going to have to come back. We're going to have to come back. We haven't finished.
But I
We can't end the video here, can we? People will be like, what?
that's
All you do is talk
half
and you never
half
work on the
video
cars.
ever.
Yeah. Standard.
But yeah, we were doing really well with the double tinkering, and now it's all gone a bit pear-shaped.
It has. And now we're literally watching paint dry.
No, actually, we're going to clear a space for your big, hefty car.
Yes.
Yes.
So we're going to adopt some anti-storm measures again. And yeah, here's hoping more roof doesn't get ripped off.
Winning.
Winning. When all else fails, go and see Tim and his mighty mallet of doom. So it's trying to open up the flange and see if we can get this pipe off. Yeah, try and open up this bit, which is a lot easier with the car in the air. Trying to do this on the ground, we don't have room to swing a hammer. It was hard work. We'll see if any further weapons of destruction are required. I love how the silencer is just dropping onto the floor in bits now.
I think it's finished.
I think it's had its time. Right, let's go. Come on. Oh yeah, that's going.
Filling my shoes with shrapnel.
Yay!
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Shake, rattle and roll. That has served its time, I think we can say.
do you want to look inside it?
Oh, go on then. Okay then, through the magic of the observation borescope thing, in we go.
Oh, there's no tube in there at all.
Wow. So I had a straight through exhaust mod.
Yeah, that's the pipe coming out the back.
Oh, blimey.
There's absolutely nothing left of any of the baffles on the inside. That's where the exhaust should be coming in. Oh, well, I mean, we're shaking it about now, so that's probably all sat in the bottom of the silencer.
Yeah.
That wasn't doing any silencing or anything.
No. Bit of magic goo, new one's going in. We're hoping the tailpipe is going to be in the right place because this one seems to be completely straight and this one's got a bit of a kink on it.
Do you want the good news or the bad news?
It doesn't fit.
Probably the right one.
Okay.
I bet you out the factory, these came with one rear piece,
Ah.
and you cut them just to change the back box.
Oh.
Doesn't overlap very much.
Oh no. Oh, that's less than ideal.
I might be able to wing it.
Sard's law.
it might be able to be fettled. Let's see what we can do now.
Oh, it's just gone a little more. But yeah, that's a little close to the bumper. Suppose it shouldn't get too hot. We're not going to be rallying the thing.
It might just do it. It's a bit keen on the cut, I would say.
Yeah. So there we go, in place. Just drop the ramp and we'll give it a listen. Oh, listen to that. That's a bit better.
Yeah, that's okay.
So exhausts better without holes in, it turns out. Marvellous, thank you Tim. So there we are, that's as much as we're going to do on this one. This is now going to be for sale, so if you're interested, do let us know. We are going to do a proper for sale, full walk around video and test drive once the weather's actually a little bit drier. So expect to see that soon, but otherwise, thank you for watching and we'll see you in a future video. Bye! Yep. Smooth!